All right, guys, 7.3 is all on special products. So in 7.2, we talked about FOIL, first, outside, inside, last. So we can go ahead and do that. So these are special products. When I look at this, I see x plus 5 squared. That does not mean x squared plus 5 squared. That means, oh, let's get a different pen. Okay, that means x plus 5 and x plus 5. Again, it is not x squared plus 5 squared. When I FOIL this, first is x squared. Outside is 5x. Inside's 5x. Last's 25. Combine those like terms, and I get x squared plus 10x plus 25. Next one, 2x minus 1 squared would be 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1, which then becomes first 4x squared, outsides negative 2x, insides negative 2x, negative 1 times negative 1, positive 1. Combine those like terms, we get 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. Okay, 3, 9y minus 2 times 9y minus 2. First, 9y times 9y is going to be 81y squared. Outside, negative 18y. Insides will be negative 18y. And then last is positive 4. So we get 81y squared minus 36y plus 4. Okay, this last one. See if you can find a pattern. There is a rule for these, and there's a shortcut. Now, do you have to use the shortcut? No. But is it helpful? Yeah, if you see it. For this one, we get 64 x to the second plus 8x plus 8x plus 1. Okay, combine those like terms, we get 64 x squared plus 16x plus 1. Rule for squaring binomials is if I have x plus y squared, right? X plus 5, x plus y squared. So you're squaring that just like we did up above. You're going to take x and square it, plus you'll take 2xy, plus you will take y squared. So hear me out. If this is my x and this is my y, x squared, 7x squared would be 49 x squared. Okay, 2xy would be 2 times 7 times 3 with that x. So it'd be 2 times 7 is 14 times 3, or 21 times 3 is 42x. And then y squared will be 9. So I get 49x squared plus 42x plus 9. Okay, this next one, x squared, well, that'll be 9y squared, okay, plus 2xy, so 36, negative 36, 3 times negative 12 is negative 36, times 2 would be negative 72y, and then y squared will be 144. Okay, this next one, x squared, okay, plus 2xy, so it'd be 4x. Yep, and then plus y squared would be 4. Try it with this last one. Okay, down below, you're going to see a little something different. It says multiply each of the following. So let's use FOIL for these. Again, this is a little different. They're not the same. One's negative, one's positive. So we have to use FOIL. We get x squared. First, outside, positive 3x. Inside, negative 3x minus 9. Simplify. These guys cancel. So I get x squared minus 9. Next one, same idea. First, 16x squared. Outsides, negative 4x. Insides, positive 4x. Last, negative 1. These guys cancel, so I'm just left with 16x squared minus 1. Do you see a pattern yet? First ones, 7 times 7 is 49. Outsides, plus 14y. Insides, negative 14y. And then we have negative 4y squared. Insides cancel. So for this one, you'll get 49 minus 4y squared. Okay, so rule for product of a sum and difference. So when they're the same thing, but one's negative, one's positive, is going to be to square the first one, okay, and then subtract y squared. So you're just squaring this first number and squaring the last number, okay? Because when you do that, it cancels out those middle numbers, okay? So I want you guys to go ahead and try these on your own. And that is your 7-3 note